do not simply run for their lives, but constantly warn each other through calls or behavior. Meanwhile, pronghorns can run for much longer. Not only is this the fastest antelope in the world, but it in herds increases their ability to detect predators from a distance, increasing their survival rate. Young individuals are often sheltered in the center of the herd, while adults act as lookouts at the edges. Thompson's gazelles are the epitome of perfect adaptations to a harsh environment. Their lives, despite the dangers, continue like a dramatic symphony on the savannah, where speed, strategy, and herd spirit combine to create a spectacular song of survival, worthy of being one of the most memorable scenes in the wild animal documentary. Imagine a magical scene on the vast grasslands of North America. A herd of pronghorns galloping across the plains at incredible speeds. Their slender but powerful legs seem to skim the ground. And from above you can see the incredible speeds they reach. Not only is this the fastest antelope in the world, but it is also a symbol of survival through speed. The pronghorn is the second fastest land animal in the world, after the cheetah. Capable of reaching top speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. It easily outpaces most North American predators. However, what is truly special about pronghorns is not just their acceleration, but their endurance. They can run at an average speed of 40 miles per hour for up to 4 miles, a feat that even the fastest predators like coyotes cannot match. Compared to other species, the Savannah Thompson's antelope can only reach a top speed of about 50 mph. And its endurance is not as good as that of the pronghorn. Cheetahs, while capable of accelerating at a rate of up to 70 mph, can only sustain it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Meanwhile, pronghorns can run for much longer, making them long-distance champions on the North American grasslands. The pronghorn's incredible speed is the result of millions of years of evolution to cope with now extinct predators, such as the North American cheetah. Although these ancient predators are gone, the pronghorn has retained its optimal biological characteristics. Its lungs and heart are twice the size of animals of similar size, allowing it to circulate oxygen efficiently even at high speeds. Weighing an average of 88 to 143 pounds and standing about 3.5 feet at the shoulder. Their bodies are optimized to reduce air resistance. Their long legs and elastic tendons act like springs, saving energy as they hit the ground and bounce off. In addition to relying on speed, pronghorns have developed several clever survival tactics to counter predators. Their large eyes have a 320-degree field of vision, allowing them to spot predators from up to 4 miles away. This is a major advantage when facing predators such as coyotes and gray wolves. They live in packs of 10 to 100 individuals, using multiple pairs of eyes to increase their alertness to danger. One of the most fascinating scenes is the chase between a pronghorn and a gray wolf. When a gray wolf spots a separated pronghorn, it sets off in pursuit. The gray wolf, which can reach speeds of 37 miles per hour, can chase its prey for long distances, but the pronghorn is undeterred. The pronghorn uses a zigzag running strategy, with sudden turns that disrupt the wolf's stride. Its powerful legs spring up to 6 feet in each leap, helping it avoid rough terrain and making it difficult for its predators. After a few minutes, the pronghorn easily outruns the wolf, leaving the exhausted predator in the middle of the field. Despite living far from the savanna, the pronghorn is the perfect embodiment of survival through speed. In the evolutionary arms race between predator and prey, they prove that sometimes the best way to survive is to run away. With each powerful stride across the North American grasslands, the pronghorn continues its remarkable story of survival, a tale that would be a must-read in any wild animal documentary about the speed and wonder of nature. On the vast African savanna, wildebeest herds move like a living river. Millions working together to overcome immense challenges. Their migration is not just a search for water and fresh grass, but a testament to collective survival, where the unity of the herd is key to facing relentless dangers. Each herd, numbering in the thousands, prioritizes the safety of its weakest members. Newborn calves, weighing just 44 to 55 pounds, learn to stand and run within minutes to keep pace. Adults form protective barriers around the young, shielding them from predators like lions and hyenas. Strong leaders guide the group, choosing the safest paths, while the herd instinctively follows. moving as one to minimize separation, a crucial survival tactic in the wild. The Mara River crossing is one of their most grueling trials. This fast-flowing river, home to 18-foot-long, 1,500-pound Nile crocodiles, becomes a lethal battleground. As wildebeests plunge into the water, chaos erupts. Crocodiles strike, with terrifying precision, preying on the weak or unlucky. Despite heavy losses, the herd presses on, driven by the need to reach new pastures. This crossing is both a test of survival and a pivotal moment in the savanna's life and mortality cycle. Wildebeests play a vital role in the ecosystem. By grazing on young grass and shrubs, they prevent overgrowth and encourage vegetation renewal. Their migrations fertilize the soil with natural dung, promoting healthy grasslands. Additionally, wildebeests provide sustenance for predators like lions, cheetahs, and crocodiles, as well as scavengers and decomposers, sustaining the food chain. In one dramatic moment, a young wildebeest thrashes in the water, caught in a crocodile's jaws. As the herd calls out from the shore, urging it to fight, the calf summons extraordinary strength, breaks free, and escapes to safety. This scene captures both the brutal reality of nature and the resilience of the wildebeest, whose survival depends on the strength of the group. Wildebeests embody endurance and community. Their lives are intertwined with the savanna's ecological balance, and each Mara River crossing highlights the raw beauty and ferocity of the wild. These powerful moments make them a cornerstone of any wild animal documentary. Showcasing nature's unyielding spirit and the interconnectedness of all life. Amid the arid lands and harsh deserts of Africa and the Middle East, the oryx stands as a powerful symbol of survival and extraordinary adaptability. An antelope with a majestic stature and long, sharp horns, the oryx not only survives but also thrives in the harshest natural conditions on the planet. Their lives are a living testament to the power of nature and the ability to evolve. One of the most remarkable characteristics of the oryx is its ability to adapt to desert environments, where temperatures can reach over 50 deg and water is a precious resource. The oryx can survive for days without drinking water, because they have developed an effective mechanism to retain water in their bodies. Instead of relying on a direct source of water, the oryx obtains water from food, including desert grasses and leaves. Their digestive system is optimized to absorb maximum water from these scarce food sources, allowing them to survive long periods of drought. In particular, the brain of the oryx is protected by a unique blood circulation mechanism that cools the blood before it reaches the brain. This plays an important role in protecting them from heat damage, especially when they have to move or hunt under the harsh sun. Thanks to this mechanism, the oryx remains alert and flexible even in the harshest conditions. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the magic of the savannah, where the fastest warriors demonstrate incredible strength and survival strategies. If you love the video Wild Savannah: The Mystery of the Fastest Warriors Wild Animal Documentary, don't forget to support us to continue bringing you more great footage.